This is, in fact, this slide shows you a variety of styles. Like we are having APA with us, we do have MLA with us, we have Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver with us. So it all depends upon what type of subject or what type of journal you are working with. So your journal will guide you that what type of style you are supposed to adopt there. Since our discipline is supposed to follow the American Psychological Association style, and I told you that it is basically the author date citation system. Usually when we talk about citations, citations are of two types, one being the parenthetical one and another is the narrative citation. It all depends that how you cite. If you complete a particular sentence, you are giving a full-fledged narration of a particular sentence and it gets completed, then you are supposed to give the last name of the author followed by the year. And between the last name of the author and the year, you are supposed to just give a comma in order to just demarcate the last name of the author from the year there. And all the details are supposed to be given within the parenthesis. And when there will be two authors there, the two authors like Gul is there and Khan is there, both of them are the last name of the authors. And last name of the authors, they will be just separated by an ampersand there. But something different will be seen in case of a narrative citation. Say suppose if you are narrating something like Gul and Khan in 2008 said that Kashmir is a beautiful place. At that time, you don't have to just give an ampersand there, simply write A and D there, and only the year is supposed to be just put up within the parenthesis there. Or you can write it like this, like in 2008, Gul and Khan narrated something like Kashmir is a beautiful place. Since I have just demarcated and ampersand by the red section here, it makes clear that there is separate policy to be followed for the parenthetical citations and there is separate policy to be followed for the narrative type of citation there. We want to like work by a single author. If a single author is there, simply in case of a narrative citation, you will write like last name of the author. Since you are very much familiar with this lady, she's Arundhati Roy, and you will simply write like Roy followed by the year. But in case of a narrative citation, you will only just give year in parenthesis there. But if it will be a subsequent citation, because many a times one citation gets repeated within the text, but at the same time you are supposed to follow the same way you have just followed it in the very first type of citation. And in case of parenthetical citation, all the details of the citation are supposed to be just given up within the parenthesis, and when it will be a subsequent type of citation, again the same policy has to be adopted there. Now when it comes to two authors, like in case of two authors, I told you that in order to just demarcate two authors, either an and will be applied or an ampersand will be applied. It all depends that whether you are just using it in the form of a narrative citation or a parenthetical citation there. Like in case of narrative citation, last name of the two authors, they have been separated by A and D. But in case of a parenthetical citation, last name of the authors, they have been separated by ampersand there. But something different you will witness here. When it comes to authors that score 2, in case of a subsequent citation, you have to give the name of only first author followed by et al. There, and the year will be put up there. In case of subsequent citation for a parenthetical citation, again a policy of nipple dash et al. Will be done there.